to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
I just finished up on the cutting buff for us, the box Chevy 87. If y'all want to check that out, check the description out. It'll also be popping up. But I gotta paint these mirrors. I almost forgot about them. I thought I painted them when I did the front in rear clip, but I didn't. So we're gonna paint those. Also install the headlight bells and the headlights in, and the grill, emblems, stuff like that, and attach the front clip and the rear clip. Same way with the back I gotta do. But first we're gonna pull the car out, and then we'll start prepping up for us getting some paint on those mirrors. Finishing touches. We got the box Chevy pulled out. Now we'll start working on these mirrors. That's one of the new ones. It's a new one. Let me show you the old ones here. They weren't really in bad shape, but the owner just wanted some new ones because everything looked good on them, if you ask me. Here's the new ones. The only thing we're gonna have to do is scuff them up. Hopefully, shouldn't be no dents on them. Let me speak too soon now. That one now look good. Get this one here open. Yeah, I think we're gonna be good. We're gonna scuff it up. We'll scuff them up with this maroon Scotch-Brite. Get them ready for paint. We're gonna tear a corner off of this Scotch-Brite. Don't take much. One thing about this Scotch-Brite, goes a long way. One thing we doing, scuffing it up so the painter has something to bond to. And I'll be going straight to the base coat. I'm not gonna put no primer or nothing on it. Straight to base. You also want to get up in here as well. Make sure you don't hit that mirror though, because you want to get paint up in there. It'd be a good idea if you go ahead and tape that off and then try to sand it. But that's all you got to do. I took the old nuts off the old mirrors because it don't come with none, so we'll be reusing those. Finished up with the sanding. I also put the old nuts on it. This is how I'm gonna attach it to my stand. Well, it's not a stand. I'm gonna use this rack here. This is what I usually use when I'm painting different small objects. Gotta blow it off. It's been sitting outside, but I'm gonna put the mirrors down up in here and tighten up the nuts, hold it in place, put one on one side, the other one down there on that side. So let me take care of that, then we'll get back started. Here's the mirror staged up. I can spray completely around them. That's what I was looking for, so I ain't gotta worry about missing some areas. Now I'm gonna wipe it off. We'll wipe the mirrors off with some wax and grease remover. I'll wipe it on with one cloth, wipe it off with the other. 3 coats of the sparkling Merlot Pearl base coat. Now I get ready to spray my clear. I'll be putting 3 coats as well. Here we go, it's 3 coats. It's been almost an hour since I sprayed the last coat. I use fast hardener because we got some snow outside and pretty cold. But we're gonna let it sit in the shop overnight. Then we'll move it out, bring the front clips in, well, the front clip and the rear clip, get everything back together, install the mirrors and the front clip and the rear clip. Alright, now we got the rear clip, the front clip, we got the bumper filler, the front and rear bumper fillers over here, tail lights, the tag, bezel. These the headlight bezels, the old headlight bezels, we ain't gonna need them no more. Headlights, grill, side, the side markers, the rear and front. Also the emblem, we'll be putting that on. And I think that's about it. As far as the clip. Front bumper filler installed. Now I'm working on this grill, trying to find some nuts for it, because it just had 2 nuts in it when I got it. I'll get that installed, then I guess I'll open these headlight bezels, put the headlights in.
Just wanna make it in.
Got everything assembled on the front clip, also the rear clip. I brought the mirrors back out. Now I bring the car in, put the front clip and rear clip on and the mirrors. Alright, we got the car in. I had washed it up a little before I start putting everything back on. Guess we'll start with this front clip first. Y'all see it got overspray already on the bumper. That one from me, that was from the previous painter. But he probably wound up getting a new bumper, not sure. But we're gonna go ahead and put this front clip on. Alright. This little leg right there.
I know who?
The little leg to the little thing. I was just telling you so you won't trip off.
Oh, yeah. Let's try there's some plastic shit go down here.
Hold on, once I get this out, I probably put it on that side. Might gotta cut the little thing off, to be honest with you.
With a little tab.
If it ain't doing it, but it might keep us from trying to line it up right.
Something in there.
That should be some. Alright, that should be some. Alright, I'm gonna try to be wired up. For the lights, we probably put on there, which I don't have to, but it'll be easier. Yeah, I should be able to do it. Yeah.
Alright.
Too bad. Now I done work myself back to the rear. About to put this rear clip on. Alright, only thing left is the mirror. We go ahead and install that, then I cut it back on for a final shot. Just finished installing the mirror. That's what it looked like. Take it back into the rear clip. Brand new side markers. Now I gotta finish installing the rest of it, like the emblems, the locks, side molding, the trim, quarter top, handles, window sweeps, also the glass, upper lights. Pretty much all the trim I got to put back on. Windshield trim, but it ain't gonna take much longer. Say a couple of days, I should be done installing all that. If it take that long. But y'all stay tuned. Tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna take y'all around here to the front clip.
We never stop.